Hello everyone, this is the video I want to share some practice from Python as the programming language. Recently I got our news from this code grid tables, the GitHub repository. So they are quite interesting. So the promotion word is for this grid table. This tool based on Python is absolutely delightful table making in Python. So I wanted to use this video to quickly install this tool, this library, and also demo to you on that sample programs that shown in their GitHub page, and to see how powerful of these grid tables are as their words. I put my code in the repository in my GitHub so that you can also get that as well. So if you come to GitHub, it's under the POSIT develop the repository, and under that is this project is called grid table. And from here is we can read is this table is make wonderful looking tables in Python. So they can have manage those table components in the variable way. So this say side is we can manage a header, footer, and nodes. And in the left is the every row. So we have the stub, head, stub, this content, and we can have the column header, and as well as we can have the merged cell. So we call this a spanner label. So those looks like is colorful really, and let's try to make that practice. So first, let me create in this repository. So let me create our file. So grid table. As I used their data site is standard Perl. So it's this one. So first of all is let's go to the simple installation. So pip, I use the pip3. Here is the underscore. So it's about 1 megabyte. Fail to write executable, so that is cannot install package due to an OS error. The system cannot find the file of this one. So let's try to see whether it's running okay to run. So from grid tables import gt. So let me run that. No, this one. Let's pause and do the troubleshoot. So when I read some help, it looks like I should have this user option. So let me do this again. Okay, looks like let's save this and run. Good. So because I think that's due to some permission. So now let's do second is grid tables directly go that data. Import SP500. So as they mentioned is that they have quite a lot other data. So we use this SP500 for demo for here. So first the paragraph is define start and end date. So define start and end date for date range. So here is date. So just gave a two variable. I think that is quite interesting and simple. So let me give a longer date. Date is not go to this. Let's go to the 20, and then filter this data set using pandas. So this so that means within these grid tables possible they are also load the pandas inside. So mini equal to SP500. So that is our data, and then SP500 date. So that is the square braces and more than start date and smaller. So to easier, so let's do like this. So and days smaller than end date. Is that correct? Yeah, I think that should be okay. Then what we will do is create a display table based on the mini. So let's see. So whether here we got any error, no error, that's fine. So they put everything just in our parentheses. So that is the syntax we need to understand. So first is this one, and create table is that's the GT. We have a load like this one, and then SP500 is mini. So that is our data side we defined here. Then we got with several dots. So tab header. Tab header is the title. So we give a title equal to SMP 500. So from here, let me see. Okay, let's run one by one. So now we don't have any display. So how we can display that? Color, number, current, column height, grid. So run this can make that displayed. So let me see, subtitle based on the format. So one is the start date variable, two end date. So it should have this one. So let me run. No, nothing coming. So then let's continue to do this. Open, high, low. That's the 4 columns. Header, close. Wait, here is our list. From here, columns, current, currency. Let me see. Here is have not closed for that. Okay, next. So a Unicode decoding cannot decode. So which line? Line 13. Locale. So which is the locale I have? Is this a frame? Any locale? No. Columns. Let's continue. So far is not get anything else. Date style equal to let's run. Keep getting this arrow next self reader. So digital file line 17. So here columns equal to this one, open, high, low, close. Do you have any locale issue? fmt underscore columns equal. Let's comment this first. Nothing. So that means here has some issue. Currency, corrency. So columns equal to. I don't see any issues. Why here the Unicode decode byte in position illegal multi-byte sequence? If I copy this one here, let me see. Looks like it's they also have same currency issue. Let me run this. So that means this sample program is not workable. I'm not sure is how they are doing the test. Make that into one line. That is the same. Decimal. Its side is my line 17. So this line, if I make that hide, so this has some issue. Tab, header, title, subtitle, format, days to days. So this one is okay. Mini, GT mini, dot, and dot this one. GT mini is here. So I try to do the exact same. So now let me copy everything here. Same. So that means this program has some issues. Interesting. So I will leave this program for now, and we'll do the troubleshooting to see here. So again, though this code is directly coming from this GitHub side, I hope this is already more than 1.2K stars. So I believe it should be running. So if you know any the steps I still miss to get this issue, you can give me comments. But this is a really strange errors to me. So I will do troubleshooting and add some additional these comments in the next video. So see you in later, and I will try to fix this as soon as possible.